Hello friends, today we will see something about coronavirus. Coronavirus is a group of viruses which is commonly seen in influenza and flu. But in 2013, SARS was the first detected, as well as in Middle East fever also. In 2019, in one city of China, this virus was found, so it is known as novel coronavirus 19 or COVID-19. In respiratory, this virus is spread through the droplets, especially when coughing, sneezing, and harsh talking. These droplets go by the foments, and these foments when touched with the hands, if you touch to the mouth or face or nose or eyes, it gets spreads with this, as well as in fecal oral routes also. But this virus is only 3% of these viruses is complicated, otherwise it is not. The precautionary measures you can do it, especially PPE, that is personal precautionary equipments. In case of the mask, that is N95, which is must for all medicos as well as for paramedicals and their all the associate members, where this mask is must. Goggle, then head shades, gown, raincoat, or as well as full sleeve shirts, gloves, and shoes. The gloves you can use per patient, separate gloves must. The what is the precautions you can do it, especially the washing hands. Washing hands you can do it with the normal soap solution with 20 seconds must in a periodical manners. As such, the sensitizers is must for patients. They can, when they are coming, they can also use the mask or the handkerchief, and they can dispose either the tissue paper which they are used or we are used in a proper manner. Keeping distance maintained together is must for all everybody. Why? It goes with the close contacts. Stay home. If you are staying home, you have to maintain your hydration properly and frequent taking hot water, hot tea, black tea, hot, especially in the orally, it can be good fermentations. As such, the diet, you should take proper diet. Vitamins is must, vitamin C, especially lemon, fruits, and other vitamins also. In case of social isolations, where you don't go out often and don't be in contact with each other. When you sneeze on your elbow. When you use the face masks, the face mask is N95 is must. If not, you can triple layer surgical mask is also equally good. Or in worst condition, when patients are not using this, they can take the handkerchief. Handkerchief also is quite good enough for this. Quarantine is the condition when you find a sneezing, fever, cough is there. You can quarantine themselves so that it should not spread at least minimum for 3 weeks must, because incubation period gets over. In comorbid multiple organ failure, especially diabetes. In diabetes, you can please continue your all oral hyperglycemic drugs, which is equally good, especially the whatever the admission, the oral hyperglycemic take, you can continue. Insulin is, if your oral hyperglycemia is not controlled, you can shift to the insulin. Especially my diabetic to type 1 patients, they can keep watch on ketoacidosis, and if the hydration maintained, insulin taken frequently, they should not be worried at all. Hypertension, all their ACE inhibitors and their group of the antihypertensive medicine, please continue. And in case of ischemic heart disease also, they can continue. Especially the renal failure patients, they can restrict their water, salt, and if they are on the dialysis, please continue it. When patients on ventilator is must, if it is failed, the blood transfusion is must. Why? There where they splits the hemoglobin and where the blood transfusion is given the good results. When you're doing the test, routine test, as CBC, ESR, LDH, CPK value, and X-rays, CT scan is must for all the patients. Now, this coronavirus is so rampant in India. It is very treated condition. So that please stay home, don't go out, and squadron yourself. You will be safe. Thank you.